Today in our 2017 Ford F-150, we're going to be taking a look at the Rhino Rack Vortex Aero Roof Rack system, consisting of part numbers RRRVA150B-2. Those are the Rhino Rack Vortex Aero crossbars, 59 inches long. These also come in silver as part number RRVA150S-2. We'll also be using part number RRRLKVA. These are the Rhino Rack 2500 series legs for the Aero crossbars. And part number DK427, which is the fit kit for the Ford F-150. Rhino Rack Vortex Aero Roof Rack system is great for carrying a wide variety of accessories on the roof of your truck while freeing up space on the inside and freeing up some space in the bed of the truck for other things. You can use these in conjunction with ladder racks to extend further out for your ladder, your lumber, or whatever it is you're hauling. The Vortex Aero strips at the top, coupled with the shape of the bars itself, will cut down wind noise and drag while you're driving. And the combined carrying capacity of the two bars together is 165 pounds, although you always want to double check with your vehicle's manual to make sure your roof can withstand that weight. This is a clamp-on style roof rack system that does come with locking end caps, so once you install this onto your roof, it's going to be secure to your roof as well. Now that we've gone over some of the features of the roof rack system, let's go ahead and show you how it installs. We have it partially assembled on our table here, and our next step is to take our other 2500 series leg and install it on the other end of our bar. With the 2500 series leg, you want to take this metal piece here and fit it into the T-channel at the bottom. So we'll get it lined up and slide it into place. At this point, we're going to have a plastic piece here that we would put into place, cut to length, and that would give you the measurement that you need between this point and your leg. Since this is for demonstration purposes, we'll just take our trusty measuring tape here, and we'll measure it out that way. And we'll take our included tightening tool and tighten down the bolt in the center. With that tightened down, we'll next take our end cap, place it on the end, and secure it into place with this included tool. Next, we'll install our fit kit, which consists of our rubber pad and our clamp. The rubber pad is numbered and has an arrow on it, so just make sure it's going to the appropriate leg. Now, to make this a little bit easier, I'm actually going to remove the pad here on our leg to put the two together. I'll push that back in place. And finally, we'll install our clamp on the other end. Our next step is to place this on our roof and start tightening it down. Before I put the second bar into place, there is one thing I'd like to point out about our front bar. Now, it assembled the exact same way as you had seen it on the table. We measured from the center of our door jamb to the center of the bar, and that is how we got the placement on both sides. Now, when we measure out for our second bar, we're going to measure from center to center for our crossbar spread, and you'll find these measurements inside your instructions. So we'll set our bar into place, setting it down gently, just like that. Then we'll balance it out on both sides. Next, we'll measure for our crossbar spread. As I mentioned before, it's center of the bar to center of the bar. And this measurement will be in your instructions. We'll do this measurement on both sides to keep the bars both even and parallel. Push our clamps into place and take our included tightening tool. And just get them snug up against the door frame. And once they're both snug, then we'll give about 5 or 6 turns each side until it's tightened down. And the way you know it's tightened down is this tool here has this curve to it. As you tighten it, it will straighten out, and you'll know that it's torqued to its proper specification, therefore you don't over tighten it. Our final step is to put in our locking end caps, then we're ready to load up our gear and hit the road. And there you have it for the Rhino Rack Vortex Aero Roof Rack system on our 2017 Ford F-150.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at Etrailer.com.